Hi everybody. As an end user, I find myself going to IT the most when it comes to the tools that we use at work. Where can I find this? How do I do that? Why isn't this working as it should? And in a previous life, I used to spend a lot of time just going up to IT or DMing folks for support or just searching the internet until I could figure it out myself, which takes a lot of time. But now I don't have to do that anymore thanks to Atomicwork's universal agent. Let me show you how this can work.
Hey, I'm Adam. How can I help you today?
Adam, I need your help in inserting the Atomicwork logo into the header and footer of this document.
Okay, I can help with that. To start, could you tell me what type of document you're working with? For example, is it a Word document, a Google Doc, or something else?
It's a Word document. Why don't I share my screen so you can just guide me through it?
Great, a Word document. Sharing your screen would definitely help me guide you. Please go ahead and share your screen, and I'll walk you through the steps once I can see it. Okay, I see your screen now. I see you have Microsoft Word open. To insert a logo into the header, can you go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen? It's in the ribbon at the top.
Okay, what do I do now?
I see that you are in the Header and Footer tab. Now, to insert the logo, do you see the Pictures option in the Header and Footer tab ribbon? It should be there on the left side.
No, I don't.
Okay, I see that the Pictures option is not visible in the Header and Footer tab. Can you click on the Insert tab on the left side of the Header and Footer tab?
Yeah.
It should be next. Now that you're in the Insert tab, do you see the Pictures option? It should be in the Illustrations group.
Yeah, I see it. Okay, how do I insert it in the footer now?
I see the Atomicwork logo in the header now. To insert it into the footer as well, can you scroll down to the footer area of the document? You may need to double-click in the footer area to activate it.
I want to make sure these are the same size. Can you help me with that?
Yes, I can help with that. I see that you have selected the logo in the footer. At the top of the screen, in the picture format options, there are boxes displaying the height and width of the selected image. Can you note down those values? Then, we can apply those same values to the logo in the header to ensure they match.
Are they the same?
Okay, great. Now select the logo in the footer, and then enter 0, 26 in the height box, and 1.27 in the width box. This should make both logos the same size.
Perfect. Yeah.
Are the logos the same size now?
Yes, they are. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, this is great. Thank you.
Great. Have a good day.